you like a witch or something?
Yeah.
Jeg vil rigtig gerne ind og få at vide, hvor lang tid det kan tage at blive kendt. Fordi at nu har vi alligevel ventet i op til flere dage.
Let me see if you're going to be famous. Let me see if I can see that. You have a very fortunate animal that came in, and it's actually a bee.
Hun har ikke noget kontrol over jeres destiny. Det gør I selv. Vi skal få jer begge to i some sort of shape. Yeah. Vi skal, get your body healthy.
You know, this is my spot here, and I'm rocking it up with some raw food, some vegan stuff. Here we go. So I'm gonna start out really slow.
Det ligner bare fuldstændig noget, jeg har set i et dokumentarprogram om fedtsugning. Og jeg gider jo ikke at sidde og spise noget, der ligner andre menneskers afsugede fedt.
Dancing is my religion. That's how I get my most of my exercise.
So we should exercise?
Oh, absolutely.
Vi skal op og blive lækre med Zumba.
Med Zumba og sexiness.
Aren't you a camel lecturer?
I'll show you guys a couple moves, but then please, you promise?
Yeah,
we go.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, we promise.
Jeg kunne godt mærke, altså, med hendes kropssprog, at hun synes, jeg var ret fræk.
On Twitter.
Wait, like 28?
De to komikere Linda P. og Christina Sederqvist er taget til Hollywood for at blive stjerner. Og det skal ske på 1 uge.
Jeg tror, det bliver ret nemt at slå igennem herover. Altså, vi har jo 7 dage til det, ikke?
Så Linda og jeg har jo lavet utrolig mange komedieserier derhjemme.
Det vigtigste er at kende de rigtige mennesker. Linda og Christina kender Monica. Og hun kender alle i Hollywood.
This is Monica.
Ej, der er Johnny Depp. You look good today.
Det bliver så fint.
Ja. Yeah.
They're huge stars in Denmark.
The Green Man.
Ja, de laver de der sådan, læsninger, de der psychic readings.
Ja. Så skal vi gå videre.
Ej, det vil jeg altså gerne. Kom.
Jamen, jeg kan bare forudse, der sidder sådan en troldunge med bonghår og fjer ud af ørerne og sådan en død rotte om halsen, ikke?
Sådan ser de da ikke ud. Det skulle da kun et tegnefilm. Det er jo bare sådan helt normale mennesker. Herinde tror jeg altså godt, vi kan blive spået.
Hvad er det dog for noget, det her?
Ja, er det ikke vildt? Der er bare alle mulige krystaller og alt muligt, som kan beskytte en og sådan noget.
Hvad er det, du har lukket mig med til her?
Vi vil rigtig gerne ind og få at vide, hvor lang tid det kan tage at blive kendt. Fordi at nu har vi alligevel ventet i op til flere dage. Og så bliver man lidt træt alligevel, at man ikke ved, når man stopper om morgenen, okay, skal jeg have det store skrud på, eller skal jeg bare have almindeligt tøj på, og hvor meget make-up, og skal jeg ordne håret, fordi altså, hvis man alligevel ikke bliver kendt den dag, så kan det være lige meget. Hun kan jo vel fortælle os, hvor lang tid der går og sådan noget.
Meget kraftig lugt, der er hen med.
Ja, jeg tror, det er røgelse. Er det ikke dejligt?
Nej. Men hun virker meget frisk. Der er shotsglasser og alt muligt.
Ah, okay, hun virker pænt frisk.
Hvor er det fjernfældet.
Det er sådan lidt underligt, ikke? Men resten var meget sådan, ja, meget vildt.
Det kan du ikke bede mig om at tage alvorligt, det her sted, altså.
Hvorfor?
Fordi hun har stearinlys som pikkemænd og fjapper. Det er totalt mærkeligt.
Det er sgu da fordi, at det er sådan noget frugtbarhed, sådan noget, så kan man brænde lyset af, og så kan man, det ved jeg ikke, bede om at få noget dillermad. Kære, jeg ved ikke, beder de til satan eller sådan noget. Ja. Jeg vil gerne have noget dillermand. Ja.
Hello.
Hello.
Hello. How are you?
We're fine. This is a nice shop.
Thank you very much. Did you like the stuff that you say?
Yeah, it's so exciting.
Very special stuff.
Are you like a witch or something?
Yeah.
You are?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's so cool. Jeg tror, at der er alt muligt mellem himmel og jord, som jeg ikke forstår.
Så jeg var lidt bange for, når hun kalder sig heks, selvom man griner lidt af det. Man var også lidt bange for, at det vil sige puff, og så var man handicappet eller havde 3 ben ud af ørerne eller sådan noget.
So do you have any special powers as a witch?
I am psychic. I have the gift of foretelling.
Okay, so you can give us a psychic reading or something.
Would you like a reading? A tea leaf reading?
You do paintings?
No, I do tea leaf readings.
Okay, tea.
You have to drink some tea.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
And
Why is that?
Because that's how I read. I read the leaves.
Has it always been tea, or did you start with coffee? Or?
No, it's always tea.
Man skal drikke te derinde for at blive spået, og der står alkohol på disken. Det kan kun blive godt, det her.
So would you like to come on back now?
Yeah, thank you.
Come on back. Who's going to go first?
I am.
Please have a seat, and you can sit over there. Thank you. So I have a variety here of teas. So look at which tea tickles your pickle, so to speak, and take a teaspoon and put it in your cup.
I think I'm gonna go
With
everybody does
likes
that.
jasmine. Yeah, it's the most popular.
I can see.
But the other teas are
A full
great.
spoon?
Yes, perfect.
Vi skal vælge en te, og derfra kan hun se dyr, der fortæller om fremtiden.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do. So I'll walk you through the steps. Take the bottom, put it on the top, flip. You're gonna put your left hand on the cup and turn the cup 3 times.
Det ser spændende ud.
Can you put both hands on the cup? Really embrace it. And you're gonna say your full birth name and birth date out loud.
Okay.
Go ahead.
Hvor meget intens, ikke? Det var meget sådan noget med at... lige pludselig så... Ja, så holder du bare på tekoppen og sig din navn.
Christina Sederqvist. 2nd of August, 1974.
Okay, good. We're ready to go. I want to tell you that 90% of the time when I do readings, animals show up in the readings. So if you hear me speak of an animal, I will explain that and what that means. Okay? The very first thing I am seeing is I'm seeing lots of meetings for you, going to lots of meetings.
Is that when I'm gonna be famous?
Let me see if you're going to be famous. Let me see if I can see that. You have a very fortunate animal that came in, and it's actually a bee. The bee is the symbol for accomplishing what's impossible.
Så nede i det der tegrum, så kan hun så se alle mulige dyr, og de dyr, de betyder så, at altså for eksempel, at der var en bi.
At man skal gøre koppen ren, fordi den er blevet ulækker.
Okay, you got the eagle. The eagle is you have to be involved with creativity. You have to be involved. If you're not involved with creativity, you're like a fish out of water. You have one of the most incredible animals that come into the reading, and it's a buffalo. And he talks about taking the easiest path. And I'm getting the number 12, which means 12 days, 12 weeks, 12 months, the 12th of a month, the 12th month, something significant with 12.
So I'm gonna be famous in a year.
You believe that, and you put it out there, and you have a good chance of doing it.
Det er sgu da meget godt. Jeg kommer til at blive berømt, og der kommer til at gå 12 timer eller et eller andet. Du skal altså også.
Nej, jeg skal køre hjem. Ellers tak.
Kom nu.
Jeg skal ikke læses igennem et kop te, Christina.
You can do it, right? Sure. Ja.
Jeg har ikke...
Linda. Prøv at se. Du kan se, hvor godt det gik mig. Du kommer til at blive så glad for det her.
Okay, så går vi bagefter, ikke?
Ja, super. Jeg lover.
Typisk Christina, og synes sådan noget er mega fedt, ikke? Det er sådan lidt hipsteragtigt for at være det. Så længe det er mærkeligt, så skal det nok være kunst.
Du skal bare filtrere det der. Du får ikke at suge alt det der.
Need to drink it all?
Just leave a little liquid, just a little liquid.
Jeg tror ikke på, at hun læser mit liv gennem tesnask på en kop.
So put your left hand on, and with your right hand turn 3 times all the way around. Full birth name and birth date out loud, please.
Linda Petersen, 15th July.
Okay.
Og året også.
84. Jeg tror, at hun er en menneskekender, og jeg tror, hun kan måske læse lidt, hvordan man er ved at se på ens kropssprog, eller hvordan man agerer over for forskellige ting. Ja.
Okay.
I thought you were going...
Okay, no, because there's so much in here, I don't know where to start.
Okay, perfect.
The very first thing I'm seeing for you is money coming in. So there's more money coming in for you.
Nice.
You have the ant, which is the worker animal. So that means you're going to be working a lot.
Yeah.
Lots of work.
I do that all the
Lots
time.
of work. Okay. And then the next animal that you have is the vulture. The vulture talks about death and rebirth. Death of one part of your life, rebirth of another part. It also talks about issues with stomach issues.
Yeah, I got a lot of that.
I keep on getting around you this animal, it's a flea, a tick, and it's the bloodsucker. And on the metaphysical, it means being drained of your energy, someone draining you of your energy.
Yeah.
On the physical, it means, it could be issues with blood. If it's not you, it's someone next to you. So I always recommend go get a blood test, make sure everything is good. And I'm also getting there might be someone around you that has diabetes. Do you know who that is?
Yeah, my grandma.
Okay. So probably an episode or something coming in with that. A lot more stuff happening after the 6-month mark. That's when things become really hectic and busy for you. A lot more things happening. A lot more work.
I work a lot.
You work a lot?
Yeah.
Okay, well that's good. Do you have any questions that you would like to ask me?
Will I be famous over here?
Will you be famous? I think you're famous already though, right? Yeah. So you want more?
Yeah,
Okay.
always.
Is it important for you to be number one?
Yeah.
Okay. Because I'm seeing that energy really coming in by 9 to 10 months. And be careful how much you're taking on. You don't want to weigh yourself down. You have to learn how to say the word no once in a while.
Yeah, I can't do that either. Yeah. Okay.
Is that it?
Yeah, thank you.
You are so welcome.
Jeg var overrasket. Jeg stoppede der med at grine, da hun begyndte at krænge min sjæl ud. Ikke? Det er noget, man godt selv kan lide at bestemme, hvornår det bliver gjort. Så jo, jeg var imponeret. Det var jeg.
I wish you the best of luck.
Do you know what time it is?
It's about 12:25 right now.
Oh, we're supposed to meet. Could you see in the plate Monica is pissed off?
She will be pissed off unless you get there real quick.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Very
welcome.
nice.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, you
My
too.
pleasure.
Hej, Monica. Hej, Monica.
Undskyld.
Ja, undskyld. Vi var inde og blive
Nej.
læst.
Jeg har ventet nu næsten 30 minutter.
Men
Come on. Jeg har en job.
Ja, Monica, vi var inde og blive læst. Hun sagde, at vi skulle være berømte.
Ja, hun fortalte os præcist. Hun sagde, om et halvt år er der et stort vendepunkt, men om 12 timer, så kommer der også til at ske noget, der gør os berømte.
Eller 12 minutter, eller 12 sekunder.
Ja, vi vidste ikke, hvad det var med 12.
Hun har ikke noget kontrol over jeres destiny. Det gør I selv.
Hun vil jo bare det bedste for os. Hun vil gerne have, at vi... hun synes, det er noget pjat, det der. Og jeg prøver ligesom at fortælle hende. Jeg havde altså alle mulige dyr i fremtiden, som sagde alle mulige positive ting. Jeg havde også en ulv på et tidspunkt og sådan noget. Men hun virker lidt, det man kalder lidt en lille smule ligeglad.
It's not up here.
Jeg synes bare, du er sådan
din
lidt,
krop.
hvad hedder det
Vi
på
skal-
engelsk,
vi skal-
en lyseslukker.
Ja, a lights turn off.
Hvis I vil gerne være berømt,
Det vil vi gerne.
så skal vi ud, og så skal vi sætte tæerne til, like, get it done. Og vi gør det selv. Det har ikke noget at gøre med nogen, der giver det til dig. I har et uge. Vi skal ud, og vi skal møde mennesker, og vi skal få jer begge to i some sort of shape.
Ja.
Vi skal, like, get your body healthy.
Altså,
vi skal
jeg har en
spise...
sund krop.
Skal jeg være tyndere end det her?
Ja, det skal I begge to.
Så planlægger hun ligesom for os, at vi skal i form, vi skal blive fedt, vi skal være i stærke og sunde og tynde. Og så det tager vi pænt imod.
Kan vi ikke bare? Skal vi ikke bare?
Okay,
Så går vi.
Ja, så skal vi have en
giraf.
En
begge
giraf?
to. Vi
Hvad
har begge
fuck?
to
Begge to en
giraffer.
giraf.
Og hvad laver den så?
Men den fortæller os, den snakker til os. Og siger, at vi bliver berømte.
Hun har sendt os hen til en, der hedder Chef Bilive, eller sådan noget. Som er åbenbart sådan en kokkemester eller sådan noget.
Det kan da ikke være her, altså.
Det ligner sådan en kirke eller sådan noget.
Ja.
Men det er
Jeg
det
tror
rigtige
ikke,
nummer.
jeg er ikke sikker på, at jeg er velkommen i en kirke. Men jo, raw food.
Jeg forestiller mig, at han er sådan en helt vildt tør, senet en, sådan en anemisk, blodfattig type, fordi det er de alle sammen, dem der spiser alt for meget tofu.
Hello.
Hej!
Hi. Are you Chef Bilive?
I am.
Linda.
Hello, how are you doing?
Oh, fine.
Hi, I'm Christina.
Hi, Christina. What are y'all up to?
To getting healthy, I guess.
Yeah,
Nice,
we want to
nice.
get healthy.
You came to the right place. You know, this is my spot here,
Yeah,
and I'm
so
rocking it
cool.
up with some raw food, some vegan stuff.
Yeah.
And it's very healthy.
It is?
It's like beyond healthy. And
Okay.
actually, you know what I do is I make it taste really good, so you wouldn't even know it.
Jeg synes, han er super fed. Altså, jeg er bare vildt fascineret af ham lige fra starten.
The important part, that's getting skinny, right?
And famous.
That is the result. That's the end result.
So
Cool.
if we eat your food
We'll get famous?
and
Oh,
skinny...
yeah, it's instant famous.
Okay.
Cool, because we don't have a lot of time. Do we have some
Yeah,
fame food
that's
I could
cool.
eat right now? Because I'm...
You know what? I want to open you a coconut. Hold on a second.
Okay.
This doesn't look like the coconut something.
du har 3 firkantede kokosnødder i køleren, så ved du bare, at du har tjek på tingene, ikke?
Og jeg slapper af med en kokosnød. Could you maybe put a little rum and pineapple juice in
You
it?
could. This works really good as to work. I mean, if you're wanting to lose weight or wanting to be healthy.
We just have to drink a lot of pina colada.
I'm grabbing the. So you grab that. You're not touching. I was gonna open you and get your own.
Oh, it's okay. Det smagte ikke så meget kokos i grunden. Det smagte lidt af sådan en god, flad pina colada.
Is there a lot of celebs who come here and?
So I was just actually last night. I did a dinner and Moby came out to it.
Dick?
Not Moby Dick.
No, not Moby Dick.
That could be.
I'm like Andy Dick. I mean, he's a friend of mine. He's a comedian here in LA.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
cool.
I made food for him. We became really close. I've
He's
done a
really
lot of
cool.
celebrity work, actually.
Yeah.
I've been
But
working
is
with
it because they're getting too fat, then they come to you?
Well, some of them.
So it's a famous style. We should do this.
You know, it's kind of, there is a lot of really famous celebrities taking on to this and look
So it's a
better.
cool thing to be healthy.
And it's cool.
So if we say we know you, people would just say, oh, you're
Some
the cool
people.
guys. Yeah.
Some people.
You know what? You have like an interesting name.
Oh, my name, yeah, it's kind of interesting.
Were you
right?
always called that? Altså, nu er jeg jo ikke så dum, som man måske skulle tro, bare hvis man tager mit udseende i betragtning. Så jeg kunne jo sagtens regne ud, at Chef Be Live, det er jo ikke noget, man bare er født med.
You know, I was meditating. When I was literally meditating. It was 7/7/7, July 7, 2007, and I was meditating. And towards the end of the meditation, I heard, "You are Be Live Light," and I came out of it, and I was like, that could have been my mind. Be Live. I mean, but it really was like a voice saying it.
Han havde ikke været til numerolog, han havde simpelthen forestillet sig, hvad han skulle hedde under en meditationsseance. Og det synes jeg bare er enormt inspirerende.
I like to keep myself open for experience, and I'm a chef, and I'm a flavor profiler. So
okay.
I like the flavors of food.
And is it also about the soul and the mind?
Gosh, yeah. It's all, well, the food is not just the only thing.
Okay.
When it comes down to it, it's really it is mind, body, soul. I could show you a little bit more about that because you're actually in the right spot. We're doing a spiritual center here, so we're doing a lot of meditation and yoga.
Oh, that's cool.
Activation here. I can show you upstairs.
I love meditation. I meditate all the time. Every time there's a commercial break, I just don't think about anything.
I understand that time, and I also do it when I'm driving.
Faktisk så mediterer jeg rigtig meget. Når der er reklamepause i fjernsynet, så kan jeg bare sidde og være helt tom i blikket og slet ikke tænke på noget.
You want to go upstairs and check out the meditation space?
Let's do it. I want to do that.
Thank you.
Should we bring the coconut or leave it here?
Oh, you bring it. That's a flower of life.
Okay.
That's mind, body, soul right there. That symbol right there represents mind, body, soul. Oh. And the space here, this is a 100-year-old church.
Så jeg vil rigtig gerne meditere meget mere, fordi det ligger bare enormt godt til min natur. At bare være i nuet og ikke tage stilling til noget som helst.
Welcome.
Hi, thank you.
Pull up a pillow, dude.
Okay.
Wow. Hi. Welcome to Source.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm Prasad. This is Annalisa.
Hello. I'm Christina.
I'm Linda.
These groups are for our spirit, for
Okay.
self-realization, basically. Meditating not to achieve anything, but just to become quiet and let the mind, with all of its thoughts, become quiet.
But you're not really quiet?
Yeah, we're just getting quiet together. And then when we're quiet, our inner voice can be heard, our true inner voice, our heart, with wisdom, with guidance, and with solutions to our problems, really.
Han mindede enormt meget om min gamle tysklærer. Så fik man sådan lidt flashback der. Og undervise på nøjagtig samme måde i øvrigt.
So when we meditate, we're in blissful love.
Will you have to sit like this with the hands?
No, you don't have to. This is just an energy flow. Relaxation is most important.
Okay.
Just focus on your breath.
We have to close our eyes.
And let the thoughts go by like clouds in the sky.
Inhale and exhale all your stress down, connecting with the earth.
Så det er den her lyshårede dame, som siger, at du skal jo hvile i dig selv og sidde og trække vejret ind. Og man tænker, det kan jeg også godt. Det ville være en del nemmere, hvis du ikke sad og smadrede et jernrør ind i et glasbogle, imens jeg gjorde det. Det er bare raw, og det er food. Han bare sætter sammen, og så bliver det bare til raw food. Det er så godt.
Here we go. So I'm gonna start out on really slow.
Og jeg gider jo ikke at sidde og spise noget, der ligner andre menneskers afsøede fedt.
She's looking like she wants to spit it out.
Vi skal op og blive lækre med Zumba.
Med Zumba og sexiness.
Aren't you Carmen Electra?
Yeah.
De to komikere Linda P. og Christina Sederqvist er taget til Hollywood for at blive stjerner. Og det skal ske på 1 uge.
Monica siger, vi skal ud og møde ham her chefen her. Be live.
You want to go upstairs and check out the meditation space?
Let's do it. I want to do that.
Når vi nu skal være Miss Hollywood 1 og 2, ikke? Så er det vigtigt med krop og sjæl og det rigtige mad. Og jeg tænker, han er en super fed type.
In the space here, this is a 100-year-old church.
Der er bare noget over at meditere i flok, åbenbart. Fordi det bare er meget fedt at vide, at alle andre også sidder sådan i helt dyb trance.
Jeg synes, jeg gjorde, hvad jeg kunne for at tage det alvorligt. Man må også have respekt for de her mennesker. Det er jo det, de gør til dagligt og lever af. Så man må også ligesom bare tage det seriøst, når man er der.
Hun virkede som om, at hun godt kunne lide at være inde i det der meditation. Hun begynder at nyse, fordi hun åbenbart er allergisk over for det der røgelse, de brænder af ind i kirken. Men hun var meget overbevist, og det er jeg rigtig glad for, at hun endelig opdagede, hvad det egentlig er, det kan.
Gently allow your eyes to open. And seeing this moment as if for the first time, brand new.
Det var enormt spændende på mange områder. Det var noget, de gjorde sammen som venner. Jeg tror heller ikke, de har så mange andre venner.
I really wanted to take you girls to my food truck and like show you some like
Thank you
actual
for having
food
us.
trucks.
Beautiful. Thank you for being here.
Thank you very much.
Man, I appreciate it.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Jeg synes, jeg gjorde, hvad jeg kunne. Thank you. Okay. Bye.
Yeah.
Bye. Is the food truck now?
Yeah.
Yes, we're doing a food truck.
Yeah,
It's a
bye,
little
bye,
ways away,
peace.
a couple blocks away.
Altså, chef synes, at det er synd for os, at vi kun har fået en kokosnød at spise hele dagen. Og det kan jeg da godt give ham ret i. Så han tager os med ud til en madtruck, han har sammen med en anden gut.
Cool truck.
This is what I work off of.
Pænt stor bil.
This is the catering truck here. Yo.
Hey,
Hey, man.
Hey, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro. Hey, man.
Yeah. I brought some awesome girls.
Linda, nice to meet you. Domingo?
Christina?
Chef Domingo here.
Christina, ja.
Christina, nice to meet you.
Yeah, he's just an amazing celebrity chef. He's been making food for celebrities for over 30 years.
Does famous people eat from your truck?
Oh, my God. I have bet Bill Cosby, Pamela Anderson, Michael Jackson.
Yeah, I was gonna say,
I was
tell
doing
him that
this
story.
one shoot, and I came out. It was on that video Moonwalker. And I see Michael Jackson standing, talking to the producer and such. Hi, Mr. Jackson. May I get you some? I'm the chef Domingo. Can I get you something to eat? Something special? And he looks at me, and he says, "No, my assistant. Nothing else." And I thought it was kind of peculiar, you know.
Yeah.
He didn't say, "No, I'm not going. I don't need anything," or "I'm taken care of." He just said, "No, my assistant." But you know, he's a superstar, and I took it like I fully understood it. I said, "Mr. Jackson,
Wait.
may I take a picture with you?" And he said, "Of course you may." So he pulled up side of me, because a lot of people have done that with him, and I just picked him up.
Oh my
And
God.
he just went, and it was the best shot ever. Actually, he does travel with bodyguards always,
Oh, yeah.
even on the set.
Not
and
anymore.
they
Not
kind of
anymore,
stepped
though.
up close.
Yeah.
he doesn't travel anywhere anymore, unfortunately. Bless his soul.
Well,
We love you, Michael.
do you mind if I use it and show them how to make a salad? I want to show them a little simple raw
You know
food
what?
recipe.
Nothing takes priority over Chef Be Live.
Oh.
Really. As nothing should take priority over your health.
We want to see the cooking.
Ja.
Watch your step when you come in.
Yeah.
Be careful. It's really flimsy.
Hvilken kasse? Esplins.
Ja.
Det er bare raw, og det er food, han bare sætter sammen, og så bliver det bare til raw food. Det er så godt. Altså.
Præcis så godt, som det lyder.
Now don't let this scare you, the greens, because it's going to taste really good.
Okay.
So I'm just going to find the cashews.
Jeg har altid halvdelen af tallerkenen fuld med salat, hver gang jeg spiser et måltid. Ikke? Det er det også, når jeg er færdig med at spise.
I'm just going to put these cashews in.
But I feel suspicious about salad. Maybe you could
Okay,
get sick or something.
let me try.
Jeg er sådan en pige, der godt kan lide altså få noget groft brød og en masse kød og også salat. Det skal bare være inde i burgeren.
And put a little onions. This is little dried onions.
It looks like, hvad hedder...
Ulækkert.
Nej, ikke ulækkert. Så der ligger hestene rider med deres klor på.
Klor?
Jamen det der...
Okay, biologi.
Hvad hedder det? Hø, ikke...
Halm.
Halm. It looks like...
Hay or something.
Hey!
Yeah, like a barn.
Yeah.
Like in a barn. Nice. Well, it's not. It doesn't taste like hay, so don't worry about that.
Okay.
I'm going to put a little apple cider vinegar. A lot of dressings, you want to put a vinegar in it. A little bit. Can't forget the salt.
Altså indtil videre, så kan jeg bare se en masse nødder og en masse olie. Der bliver man altså ikke tynd af.
Jo, hvad gør? Det bliver lækkert.
And I want to put a little bit of red bell pepper in, because that'll give it some red.
Okay.
Be a good flavor too. Here we go. So I'm going to start out on really slow, on a low speed, so it'll chop it up really good.
Det ligner bare fuldstændig noget, jeg har set i et dokumentarprogram om fedtsugning. Og jeg gider jo ikke at sidde og spise noget, der ligner andre menneskers afsugede fedt.
This will be the best salad you ever had.
Det er jo ikke dressing.
Du skal spise det og hold din kæft. Det siger min mor altid. Spis det suppe og hold din kæft. Det er lækkert.
Nej, men det er bare ved med at putte det på, ikke?
Jo.
Og hvad nu? Jordbær også? You know, I'm not so nice. I don't like fruit in my salad. Jeg tror aldrig, du kommer til at se mig stå i køkkenet og kokkerere sådan en salat uden pomfritter eller burger til.
Let's take it outside and eat it.
Yeah, sure.
Right?
Maybe I should just eat a cake.
How about after for dessert?
Jeg tror mere bare, hun er på tværs der, fordi hun hellere vil sidde og kvære en kage.
Oh no, she's looking like she wants to spit it out. Oh no.
Yeah, it's because it's not cake. It's very nice. You don't listen. Christina kan ikke så godt lide det, så jeg tror mere bare, hun er på tværs der, fordi hun hellere vil sidde og kvære en kage. If I want to be famous, I should just, you know, eat this all day.
It could help, but it's not the only thing that you need to do. You want to exercise? You want to get out and get lymphatic exercise? You want to
So we should exercise?
Oh, absolutely.
Det er ikke kun maden, man skal have styr på. Man er også nødt til at dyrke det faktum ikke at være så fed.
Whether it be running or yoga or dancing is my religion. That's how I get most of my exercise is by dancing.
Yeah, you know, we have like a dancer's body, so we could just do it.
Noget af det, der er allersjovest, det er, når man drikker sig vildt stiv og går ud og danser. Så jeg tænker, at dans, det er lige mig.
Det er helt sikkert ikke noget for mig, men det må man jo gøre. I love this salad. Should I eat yours?
Oh, she's gonna eat hers too. Nice.
She just want cake.
Ja.
Cake, I'll get cake.
Yes, thank you. Og han er rigtig sød.
Hvorfor fanden æder du ikke din salat? Du skulle have
Fordi han har kage. Woohoo!
Ja, giv mig hvor.
Ja. Heldigvis så kan man godt få sunde kager. Så på den måde så er jeg ikke så ked af det, og han synes også, det er i orden, at jeg ikke kan lide hans klamme salat. Vi skal åbenbart også bevæge os mere, end vi gør, så nu skal vi op og danse i et dansestudie, fordi vi blev enige om, det var nok den sportsgren, som vi var bedst til.
Hvad skal vi?
Vi har sådan noget ballroom.
Jeg tænker, at hende der er dygtig.
Ej, ikke salsa. Jeg tror, vi skal... Zumba er nok mere for os.
Nå, jeg vil mor gøre til Zumba, så jeg skulle gå til Zumba, fordi jeg er blevet for fed igen. Er det sådan noget med ass-shaking?
Ja, totalt meget, og det er sådan noget latino sexiness.
Ja, vi skal op og blive lækre med Zumba.
Med Zumba og sexiness. Så I får sådan en lækker krop, som folk her de godt kan lide.
En mere lækker krop, ikke? Jeg skal danse så meget zumba, som jeg aldrig har danset zumba før.
Det er totalt sjovt. Jeg har prøvet det en enkelt gang. De har derovre i vores det der sundhedshus eller sådan noget over ved lægen.
Nå, okay. Do you do zumba?
I don't, but the studio does.
You're not Zumba teacher?
I'm not.
Okay. Hi, do you do Zumba? No.
Jeg tror, det er herinde, jeg kan høre nogen, der er sæt på døren.
Is this Zumba?
Is this Zumba
Is this
class?
Zumba? Is this Zumba?
Zumba?
Yeah.
No, this isn't Zumba.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
That's fine.
Is this Zumba? No. No? Okay, you sure? Yeah. Okay, bye. Sorry, is this Zumba?
No, no.
Oh,
Sorry.
okay, sorry.
You can check the schedule.
Hvad? Gammel Elektra?
Nej.
Jeg var også lidt i tvivl, hun plejer at være helt lyst, og det var der hende.
Prøv at høre, hun står ikke og underviser Zumba.
Jo, vi går lige ind igen, ikke?
Nej, det kan du ikke.
Ej, det kan vi godt.
Det kan
vi gør det lidt
Prøv at høre,
nonchalant,
det er jo
ikke?
ikke hende. Lad os nu gå hen og spørge de der. Linda, lad os nu
Hvad
gå hen
har
og
du
spørge,
kælder?
hvordan. Hvem?
Gammel Elektra?
Men det er jo ikke hende.
Det er hende. Sorry. Aren't you Gammel Elektra?
Yeah.
Is that you?
Det er sgu hende.
Oh, hi.
Hi.
Just want to say hi. Yeah.
No. Sorry, I don't.
I'll show you guys a couple moves, but then please, you promise?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, of
Okay.
course.
Okay, we promise.
Jeg kunne godt mærke, altså, med hendes kropssprog, at hun synes, jeg var ret fræk. And you can just call us if you want to, right?
Bye bye, 28, 88.
De to komikere Linda P. og Christina Sederqvist er taget til Hollywood for at blive stjerner. Og det skal ske på 1 uge.
Sorry, is this Zumba?
No,
Is this...
no.
Oh,
Sorry.
okay,
Sorry,
sorry.
you can check the schedule.
Vi kommer hen og leder efter en Zumba-time, hvor vi kan lave noget Zumba, og gå ind ad alle døre, så lige pludselig kommer vi ind, hvor Gammel Elektra er.
Thank you.
Hvad? Var det Gammel Elektra?
Nej, det var der ej.
Jeg var lidt i tvivl, for hun plejer at være mere lyshåret. Det var det hende. Det er hende. Så skønt. Sorry. Aren't you Gammel Elektra?
Yeah.
Is that you?
Det er sgu hende.
Oh, hi. Just want to say hi.
No. Sorry, I don't know. How'd you guys get in here?
Der er ikke noget værre end to mennesker, der bare kommer ind og overfalder, hvis det er, de kan se, de er kendte, ikke? Så vi gjorde det sådan lidt nonchalant og sådan lidt, hey, how are you doing? Og sådan noget.
You can't be here.
Oh, no, we just want to say hi.
It's because we're from Denmark, you know, we are celebrities.
We're famous
That's
too.
great, that's great, but she's in the middle of rehearsal right now. You guys
Nice to meet you.
Ham der lille homodreng der render rundt og skal lege manager. Jeg ved ikke, om han var Piccoline her i bygningen eller hvad, men han skulle i hvert fald lege manager for hende og begynder ligesom at sige, she's busy, og det er sådan lidt, det bliver en lille smule akavet på et tidspunkt.
Hun synes,
det kan man
det er
godt
så
sige.
pinligt, ikke?
Yes, we're famous too, you know.
Yeah, in Denmark.
Hi, I'm Linda.
Nice
Hi.
to meet you.
I got all your movies, you know. I got all your DVDs.
Yeah?
And watch it.
Yeah.
cool.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a cool place. Is it your place?
This place?
Yeah.
No, it's a dance studio, and we rent it out.
Okay,
So what do you do here?
I'm actually rehearsing for a show that I'm doing in Toronto. I'm working on music.
Oh,
So.
well, we're gonna be famous, so
Yeah.
maybe we could be in your show, you know? Så der kunne jeg mærke med det samme, at hun er danser, jeg er danser, og vi er bare sovs og kartofler. Altså, vi har bare sådan en moment, hvor det føles, som om vi bare er klamydia og Sunny Beach, ikke? We could just, ask you a couple of questions, about being famous, because we love you,
We really don't have time for
We
this.
think you're amazing, so...
Navigator is.
2 minutes.
Okay.
Could
What
you
is he,
sit down?
like your father or something?
Yeah. Okay.
Just want to ask you a couple of
Take a little
questions.
break, and then.
Yeah,
Then
of course.
Can
Just
get
a
back
little
to
break.
work.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, how long time have you been doing this?
Actually, I started when I was 5 years old, and it's my love and passion. I've been dancing my entire life.
Being a beautiful woman and all that. Aren't you afraid of being typecast?
When I started my career, I wanted to be sex symbol, and so those are the choices that I made, and I'm not complaining.
You could tell us how to be, you know, skinny and fit and in a shape.
Well, I mean, for me, it was all about finding a workout that I love. I like to have junk Sunday, or if I have a craving, I eat whatever I want.
Oh.
But I would say, you know, try to maintain, you know, healthy exercise and eat right, and then
But
you can go off sometimes. You have, I mean, you have to live. You know, you can have the burger like without the bread. Like cut back on your carbs.
But then it's not a burger,
Protein.
isn't it?
Then it's
Then it's a beef with no bread.
Turkey burgers, you know.
Turkey burgers.
A little bit more healthier. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think some of the stuff we have to do to like get healthy, it's like torture. Why do I have to?
You don't have to.
But
It's
why
your
do
choice.
everybody do it?
Because some people, you know, want to get really healthy, and some people get addicted to, you know, sort of working out and eating a certain way. And I think if you do it healthy, that's a good choice. I believe that anything is possible. So
I can do it.
If your dream is to be a dancer, go for it.
Så kan man lave et lynhurtigt væddemål. Hvis ikke jeg har tabt 10 kilo, inden jeg forlader LA, så er det fordi, jeg har taget 10 på. How long time do you think it will take me to get, you know, skinny and...
Will it take you a long time?
How long?
How long?
I mean, I don't know.
Jeg vejede mig faktisk i dag på sådan en, amerikansk vægt, ikke? Hvor jeg vejede 154 pounds, må det være, ikke? Det skulle jeg faktisk lige have omregnet til kilo. Jeg så på nettet, at det var 163 pund og 0,1213. Så vejer jeg 18 kilo.
Jeg har set masser af billeder af Carmen Electra, ikke? Men når vi står ved siden af hinanden, så er det bare tydeligt. Altså, vi har jo bare de samme kindben og øjne, og vi ligner bare hinanden nærmest på en prik. You know what? I'm just sitting here looking in the mirror, and at you. It's amazing how much we look alike.
Which mirror are you looking at?
We could be twins.
Yeah?
I could be like your stand-in.
Like who?
Like Carmen.
Oh.
Can't you see it? It's amazing. Altså, man siger jo, at alle har en dobbeltgænger rundt omkring i verden. Og der er mig og Carmen, vi er jo bare som yin og yang, ikke? Bare den samme side.
There's no quick way to get famous?
Quick way?
Yeah.
I'm sure there's a million quick ways. You know, obviously these days the sex tape will
a sex tape.
get you famous really quick.
You think I should do a sex tape?
Why not?
Så foreslår Carmen, at jeg laver et sexbånd, og det synes jeg er en god idé. Altså, som jeg også siger til hende, jeg har før lavet det der tricks med at stige ud af en taxa og vise pisfrikadelle, men det er som om, der ikke er nogen, der bringer det i nyhederne.
What about the stuff about getting out of vehicles with no panties on? Is that old-fashioned?
Well, I've never had the sex tape, and I've never done that either, but it seems like how about just study what it is that you want to do and work hard. That would be my advice to you.
It could.
I have to go because I'm only here for 2 hours. So.
Oh, that's fine. We could dance with you, you know, here. Not
It's
very
gonna
long
be
time,
okay.
just, 20 minutes or 25.
You
or
won't even notice we're here.
You could show us some moves, you know.
But quickly, I'm sorry, guys.
I got the
have to
movies
get
when
back
you
to
do this. I told you that, right?
5 minutes.
Yeah, tops.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, where should we be? Here?
Yeah.
I'll show you guys a couple moves, but then please, you promise?
Yeah.
Okay, we promise. Altså, jeg har altid godt vidst, at jeg var et naturtalent til at danse. Selvom jeg ikke har gået til det som sådan.
Step out with the right, step out with the left, and then stick your booty out. Hands, you can put your hands, yeah.
Oh, it's so easy.
Stick it out, okay.
Yeah.
Roll back, and kick. Just two.
Jeg tror ikke, hun havde forventet så sensuelle moves, som jeg gik ind og lagde i kakkelovnen der. Altså.
That was
easy. So easy.
Thank you
One
so
more
ikke øjnene så meget rettet på mig, fordi at Christina stod som syg abe og skabte sig i hjørnet. Men jeg kunne godt mærke, altså med hendes kropssprog, med ryggen til, at hun synes, jeg var ret fræk.
That's enough, that's enough. You guys have had enough fun. It's time to go. She has to get back to work. Let's go, let's go. No, come on, ladies, come on, come on.
I can do the hammer,
go outside and we can dance some more. No.
Hammer time! No, can't touch this.
Let's hammer time in the hallway. Let's go, lady. Thank you.
So could we get your number?
Really nice to meet you.
Could we get your number so we could hang around with you?
No, that's not a good idea. That's not a good idea.
Just one number.
Write her on Twitter,
The Real Carmen Electra Instagram. Give me a shout out.
Great.
But that's
Sounds good.
Okay.
Thanks, ladies.
You can
Let's
call
go.
me on
That's
Facebook.
really fun.
You don't want to dance
It's time
with us?
to go, though. No, maybe later, honey. Maybe later. Okay. Write us on Twitter and we'll figure something out. Thank you.
Okay.
See you soon. Bye.
Okay, see you. And you can just call us if you want to, right? You can just call
On
us.
Twitter.
It's 28,
Twitter.
88. Hvor var det bladet, mand?
Det var fucking Carmen Electra.
Ej, hun elsker os jo, mand. Det er jo helt sindssygt. Ej, vi skal jo hænge med hende. Hun gav os, Instagram og alt muligt.
Og Twitter og helt
Og Twitter. Og jeg sagde, hun bare kunne få mig på Facebook, og så fik hun mit nummer også der til sidst.
Ja, halvdelen, ikke?
Nej, men jeg tror, hun fik fat i det.
Bum.
Sundhedsdag.dk.
Jeg bliver altså fandme lidt træt af det her. Der er ikke nogen, der kan lide os, som vi er, og de vil alle sammen lave os om, og vi er ikke tynde nok, og jeg ved ikke, jeg synes bare, det er sådan lidt underligt, ikke? Altså, vi er kraftedeme kommet frem på ikke at vise patter og ligge under for alt muligt slankehysteri og alt muligt pis, altså.
Ja, det er måske rigtig nok. Vi bliver bare også nødt til at tænke ud af boksen, måske. Ja.
Prøv lige at se en gang, hvad hjernevasket de alle sammen er, altså. Der er jo ikke nogen af dem, der hviler i sig selv. Der er ikke nogen af dem, der er sig selv. De alle sammen, de skal gå op i alt muligt spirituelt og yoga og raw food pis, fordi at de mangler indhold i deres liv, fordi de hele tiden er sådan en eller anden tom skal.
Jeg vil give dig ret i det overfladiske det hele, men det er jo stilen herover ligesom, og det er derfor, jeg tænker, at vi er nikkedukker, indtil vi er der, og så kører vi vores egen stil.
Vi bliver bare nødt til at aftale, at vi bliver det samme indeni. Jeg gider ikke det der med, at man lige pludselig ikke har noget tilbage af sig selv.
Nej, selvfølgelig.
Skål.
Vi husker os.
Vi vil gerne være lookalikes. Okay. Really? Så laver vi nogle lookalike plans for jer.
Vi skal lave kassen på at være lookalikes. Can you spot a lookalike in every person?
Yeah, I can.
But I don't like it.
Det er altså rigtig flot.
Hi.
Mark Hamill?
Yeah.
Luke Skywalker, that's you?
Well, that's who I played.
Oh, I'm so sad. I don't know what to...
I can honestly say I've never seen anything like that. I mean,
So cool.
that was remarkable.
This is Monica Mickelson. You don't know me. You work with Carmen Electra, I understand? Hi. I just wanted to call because I understand that Carmen was rehearsing at a dance studio, and I have two friends from Denmark, and they interrupted her session, I understand. I just want to make sure that, you know, Carmen's okay, she's not freaked out, Denmark's not in trouble. You know, just... I'm so sorry. I am so sorry.